Ew! What is up, everyone? Here we are. Another beautiful day in paradise. A little bit cloudy, but it's a nice day for the dream, obviously. But I got these metal garage door that's cut up into 4 pieces. I'm about to just put this in the trailer for now, and probably just accumulate a load in there of scrap, because I want to get to this unit here and take that apart so I can get the maximum value for it. And I think it's a good opportunity because the thing's already cut and drained, whatever, to get all the copper and compressed unit and all that stuff out of there and show how it's done. I know everyone, not everyone, but a lot of people watching already scrap and have taken apart these AC units before, but for people that haven't, I just wanted to show the contents of it and just how easy it is to get into there, and to just, the copper cuts, you can cut the copper apart pretty easily with just a Sawzall. So I don't know if I'm going to be doing that video today, hopefully, but I'm not sure yet. But I'm going to take these out now and put them in this trailer, and then got a bunch of different things going on today, so follow along with me and Sammy. We're going to be taking my grandfather to the doctor and see what we got going on. I mean, if you want to, probably going to pick up a water heater too. Oh, damn. I don't know why I keep missing calls, but let's see what we're claiming here.
Yo, bro.
Yo, what's up?
What's going on? Talk to me, Daddy.
Dude, I don't know what's going on. My phone, I keep missing your call. I can't hear my phone or something, but
That's cool.
you got a water heater over there?
I got 2 water heaters, one in Seaview and one in Atlantic Avenue.
Okay, you want me to pick them up today in a little bit? I can come over in like a half hour.
The one in Seaview is up the driveway, you can't miss it, next to trash cans.
Okay.
20 West Seaview Avenue in Linwood.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
The one in Ventnor is at 5001 Atlantic Avenue. Just ring the front door off of Atlantic. She'll open the garage door for you. Just grab it, stand right there for you.
Okay. Wait, what was that? 5001 Atlantic Ave?
Yeah, 5001 Atlantic Avenue.
Okay. And the other one was, I think you texted me the address, but I'm not sure. What was it?
220 West Seaview.
Okay. And that's Linwood?
SEAV. Yeah, that's in Linwood.
Okay. All right, cool. Yeah, thank you.
Scrap on, Daddy.
I'm going to get them today, so thanks.
No worries. All right, bro.
Peace.
Later.
All right, working on loading up all the scrap that we got in this trailer here so that we can just take a big load eventually in the next couple days when we got enough. But I'm about to back up right here and just drop that AC unit right there so I can take it apart. All right, we're going. Yeah, what's your claim about today?
Should be interesting.
What's going to be interesting about it?
Taking Bob to his doctor's appointment.
Yeah, this guy has to go to the doctor's in Philadelphia. He can't just go locally. So this is going to be heavy. But we got to pick up 2 water heaters before we go. So, all right, Chuck sent me over here to grab this water heater from a job he did. Oh, I think I can just grab it. I was going to try and pull up, but that car's in the way. But I think I can just grab this beauty. Just roll it, maybe. Alright, here getting hot water heater number 2. Supposed to just ring the doorbell, I guess, and they'll open the garage door. That's what Chuck said anyway. Because I don't know if that doorbell worked. Hopefully that one did. Hey, how you doing? Good.
You have to pick it up last.
I got it, yeah. For Chuck. Yeah.
Doing the job, right?
Yeah, just the scrap, really.
That's it, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
Okay, take care.
Have a good one.
Is Ben
Sit down.
going to the hospital with her?
No,
Sit down.
I don't think so.
Do you know where we're going? Cause I don't.
Somewhat, yeah. Hey,
I'm friggin' lost. You could drop me off in Dover.
I don't know
for
where.
Christ's sake.
I don't know where it is though. What doctor is it?
Oh, no, just get me near the building.
That's what I'm saying. What building?
I don't.
We're parking on. What is that thing?
I have no idea.
Big piece of
But
scrap.
it's interesting. Something I'd like to put out my front lawn.
Imagine that would be cool, right? What, they used to light up this bridge for Christmas?
Used to.
I don't see it now, do you?
No, I know.
Damn, we're out here in Philadelphia and we have no idea where we're going. Well, Bob knows somewhat.
I thought you guys were behind me.
Yeah, how here you go, man.
Sure.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
Alright, so I'm out here. I just picked up the car. The craziest thing happened. We got to the appointment on time for my grandfather. He went back like an hour after he was supposed to because I guess they were busy. But I'm trying to figure out where I'm at right now. But no way. What I was saying is they couldn't do the procedure today. It didn't work out. He went to the bathroom in his pants, I'm assuming, I guess, and then he got all cleaned up and got back in there, and then he had to poop again. And then by the time it all was said and done, the place was closed. So literally we came here and got almost nothing accomplished. But this is like a testament to my life. You can't let little things like this, you know, get you down. I could be pissed off right now. I just drove to Philadelphia and waited for 4 hours for something that didn't happen. But at the same time, my grandfather's alive. He's pretty much healthy, and everyone's okay. So got to keep pushing, boys. We're out here at the laundromat and Sammy has to do community service, so she's washing all these blankets for the cats that this lady has like a cattery in EHT, and there's 4 big bags of what?
Hurry up. It's 3 big loads. Hurry up.
So we're gonna be able to wash them tonight. What? It's how heavy is the Kiki life?
Maybe we should have put it in 2 different ones. How much more is she? And asked if she would give us more.
Do you want me to get more quarters for that?
Yeah.
These cats are gonna be so happy when they get their fresh clothes. How much bleach do you like to use?
The whole thing. Just pour the rest of that.
The whole thing. Does she want to go back or throw it out? He is very cute.
I love you.
Arlo is purring a lot since we got back because he's really happy we came home. I'm having a lot of trouble with this upload. It said it was processing, and then I went back on and re-uploaded the video again, and now it's only 45%. So I don't know what's going on. This kind of stuff happens all the time on YouTube. But a few successes today, a few failures. Got some scrap, 2 water heaters earlier in the day. Got Arlo his medicine today. We took my grandfather to the doctor all the way in Philadelphia just to have them take him back late and not be able to do the procedure because they ran out of time. Don't know how that works, but he's going to have to go back in a couple weeks, I guess. We tried. There's nothing else we can do, really. But can't let it hold you back. And then we did the laundry for the cats for Sammy's friend Peggy and got all the kitties' blankets washed. But she's going to dry them at her house, I guess.
Clean blankies for the kitties.
Do you like it?
Love it.
Do you like cats?
Don't ask me stupid questions.
But yeah, life is crazy. Ups and downs, obviously. But you got to just keep pushing. Keep pushing. And we are getting some artwork from Heather Howe. Her daughter drew us something awesome, and I can't wait to see what it is. But I just think it's amazing that people would draw us pictures and send them to us. So, anyone that wants to send us something, we're going to have the P.O. box open probably by next week. We're going to get one. So that'll be easier to do. But anyone that thinks that they're an artist in their heart should go out and try and do some art, because a lot of people hold back, and I have myself, even just because I didn't think I was worthy or good enough. But everyone has the capability of creating something, and as I've heard before, art cannot be criticized because every mistake is a new creation. So no matter what you create, it's still art, it's still creation. So dream is out there. I myself have been not doing too much art like I've been wanting to lately, but been super busy with the house and everything. So dream is hard to have so many different aspects of what you want to do in one day or 1 week, and only get such a few amount of things done because you just have so much on your plate. But we've been happy lately over here, living the dream, our small family. So truly blessed, all 3 of us, I think, and truly grateful for the life I've been given. And I don't know. That's pretty much it for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It wasn't very entertaining. I don't think it was that eventful, but I just have started to film every day, so you know there's going to be some down days that aren't as exciting as others. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning for some more claims. I'm out of here for the night. You know what that means.
Good night or good morning.
And Arlo says good night to everyone.
And he loves you all.
See you guys tomorrow.
Tell me, why does Claire have to die?
It's so that you can be reborn.
Alright, Lara, go.